Howdy y'all.
How to make your own compost. What do you get when you combine organic waste, a pile of dirt and microbes? Organic compost. The process is simple. Add your food scraps to the pile with some soil or other organic material. Grass clippings, leaves, grass-fed animal manure, that has been heated up. Then mix it all together and let it sit for about 6 weeks. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be discussing how to make your own compost. So, let's dive in. Main types of composting. Let's take a second to talk about composting. Hot and cold composting are the two types there are. Cold composting is easy and can save you a ton of money. In springtime, start to collect yard waste in your backyard. Ingredients should include leaves, grass clippings, vegetable scraps like carrot tops and apple cores, newspaper bits, and eggshells. Over time they would decompose on their own without any help from you at all. Perfect for those folks with less space like apartments or townhouses who can't possibly have a garden plot but still want access to fresh produce. Hot composting, on the other hand, is a more intensive process that requires the addition of nitrogen-rich materials like manure, food scraps and leaves. It's also important to keep it moist by watering every few days or so. You don't want your compost pile drying out. How to begin? Begin with a basic container. An old garden pot is perfect for this. You can just put it on the top and fill it with any ingredients you want to break down, like rice or veggies. If you can splash out a bit, get a bin. Compost bins come in two types, stationary and rotating. Looking after your compost. Looking after your backyard compost pile is simple, but a little of attention makes all the difference. Add materials often to provide the bacteria with some fresh food and insulation for their process. Okay, that just about wraps things up for the video today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe and leave any comments below, and I'll see you later.